Hello everyone, this is Zach from Ace Restoration, and today we're going to go over how to repair a popcorn ceiling. So this ceiling was in a customer's home, and she had some water damage where her roof leaked, and it caused the ceiling in her kitchen to have discolored and stained sheetrock. As you can see here, it got pretty bad, so we put up this plastic as a temporary fix until we were able to schedule and repair her ceiling. So the first thing that we did is we covered all of her cabinets and her floors with some plastic to keep all of her stuff safe and to keep any debris from falling and damaging her kitchen. Our next steps were to remove the affected sheetrock, so we just cut it all back to find the ceiling joists, and we also then removed the outer 2 or 3, maybe 4 inches of popcorn from around the area that needed to be repaired. This is so we can add mud to the affected area and we can get a smooth line, and we're not gonna have to put compound on top of old popcorn. This is what the ceiling looked like after our first layer of compound. As you can see here, we needed that area around the new piece of sheetrock where the old popcorn is, so we can get a smooth transition from the old surface to the new surface to eliminate that seam. This is after the second coat. As you can see, there's a little bit of a hump there right in the front of the new piece of sheetrock. So that's something that we had to address in order to eliminate any bumps in the final product. So after we felt confident with our layers of compound and having a smooth transition between old and new, we used some spray-on popcorn. We used the aerosol cans, the Homax popcorn ceiling spray, and we thought it worked great. We read tons of terrible reviews and we decided to do it anyway, but we're really happy with the result. As you can see, this is before we painted it. So what we did is we primed before we put the popcorn on, and then we threw the popcorn up there on top of the primed layer. And this is right before we painted, so you can see that the texture is not exact, but it is very similar to what she had before, and to match the general density and the shape of the popcorn itself. This is what the ceiling looks like after it was painted with its final coat. We had to wait 24 hours for the popcorn ceiling material to dry on top of the primed sheetrock, and when it did, we came back and we gave it 2 coats of white ceiling paint that we sprayed on with our Graco sprayer. We gave the walls a fresh coat of green, and this is what it looked like a couple days after. So all in all, it's very difficult to match the exact texture and to have a virtually seamless patch job. I mean, it's nearly impossible, but yeah, this is what it looks like, and we're pretty happy with the results. The homeowner was happy, and hopefully you learned something. To see some more before and after pictures, head over to acerestorationct.com.